My name is Manjula Vani.
Yes.
My question is, what is breathing? Is breathing Atman? And my second question is, when somebody dies, we wish that may God give peace to the departed soul. Now, if soul is Atman, and if Atman is Brahman, as I understand, and Brahman is consciousness, unlimited, so how can it depart? That's my question.
It's interesting that you asked the question about breath.
Thank you.
Why? In ancient Greece, the word for breath, I don't know how to pronounce it, Pneuma. Does anybody know how to pronounce that? Pneuma? From which pneumatic has come. So, that also stood for soul. Over time, when Greek philosophy was absorbed into Christian theology, the importance of breath sort of faded to the background, and soul, the spiritual soul, became important. That became central. But breath and soul were connected, both in ancient India and in ancient Greece. Why they were connected? Because soul has two meanings. The word soul has two meanings. One is Brahman or Atman, as you said, pure consciousness. But one is also Jivatman, the sentient being. Other than the physical body, whatever else we are is called the soul. Physical body dies. But the soul, there the soul includes Atman, pure consciousness, Karana Sharira, causal body, Sukshma Sharira, subtle body. So that is the soul. Pure consciousness plus causal body plus subtle body. What we call breath, Prana, is very much, it's the constituent of the subtle body. And that's the most, Prana is also very interesting because it's the one which is automatic in our physiological processes, but we can also voluntarily catch hold of it, the breathing part of it, pranayama. So the prana, breathing, is identified with the soul, or is an identifier for the soul. For which soul? Jivatma. Why? Because prana is part of subtle body. And subtle body, karana sharir, and consciousness together are called the jivatma, subtle, or one meaning of the word soul. The other meaning of the word soul is pure consciousness itself, the spiritual soul, Atman. Now, when somebody dies physically, physical death, what do we say in India? Pran nikal gaye uske. The prana has gone out of this person. That means the subtle body has left. Prana goes away means subtle body has left with the prana. That means this body is no longer a living body. Soul has gone. Prana goes means soul will go with it. Soul means the Jivatman, the causal body, subtle body, and pure consciousness. Pure consciousness will not go anywhere. According to Advaita, it's always there, shining. Another way of putting this is, in English we say, the dead person has given up the ghost. In India you say the prana, the sukshma sharir. What do we say? Ve chale gaye, that person has gone. In English it's the reverse. The body is there and the body has given up the ghost. But the meaning is the same. The ghost here means the subtle body, or jivatma. To sum up, my answer to your question is, the breath is very closely connected to the subtle body. So sometimes breath was taken as the soul or as an indicator of the soul. Living being means soul is there in this body. Dead body means soul has left. How do you know? When the soul is there, subtle body is there, therefore breathing is going on. When the soul is not there, gone away, subtle body has gone away, prana has gone away. Breathing stops and all the physiological processes which continued this body slowly fade away. That's the death of the body. Now the second question was, Brahman. If the soul is Brahman, why do we pray? May God gives peace to the soul. Soul is Brahman. But two meanings of soul. Atman or Brahman is the one meaning of the soul. The other meaning is the subtle body, causal body, the Jivatma. Jivatma, for that Jivatma we pray to God. that as long as we are not enlightened, as long as we are individual, we will continue to be a Jivatma. We'll go from this life to another life to another life. And for that departed, literally departed, for that departed person, we pray, may God give peace to that soul. In Hindi, sometimes we say Sadgati, a higher destiny, spiritual destiny. May they attain higher births, better births. May they go to various heavens and come back as a spiritual person in next life. This is the prayer we give.